Hey guys, have you ever felt frustrated by forgetting important things or struggling to focus throughout the day? If so, this video is for you. Today I want to share my personal experience with Vitrafoxin, a supplement that completely changed my mental clarity and overall quality of life. Stay with me until the end to understand how it can help you too. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss valuable content on health and well-being, and leave a like so more people can benefit from this information. A few years ago, I started noticing some concerning signs. I would forget important appointments, struggle to recall the names of people I had just met, and constantly feel like my mind was in a fog. It was frustrating. It started affecting my confidence, my work, and even my personal relationships. I felt like I was losing control over my own thoughts. In the middle of this frustration, I began searching for natural ways to improve my brain function. That's when I came across Vitrafoxin, a supplement made with a blend of medicinal mushrooms known for their cognitive benefits. It contains Ganoderma, Yamabushitake, Lentinula, and Cordyceps, ingredients that caught my attention because of their neuroprotective properties. At first I was skeptical. I had already tried other supplements that promised similar results but didn't work. I also worried about possible side effects or interactions with other things I was taking. But after researching more, I found out that Vitrafoxin is made with 100% natural ingredients, non-GMO and gluten-free, produced in FDA-registered facilities. That gave me the confidence to give it a shot. After a few weeks of consistently taking it, I started noticing real changes. My memory improved. I could recall details and conversations much more easily. My focus skyrocketed and I was able to complete tasks faster and with greater efficiency. The mental fog that had been clouding my thoughts started to lift, and I felt sharper and more present. This transformation made a huge difference in my life. I regained my confidence, improved my relationships, and felt like I had unlocked a younger, more vibrant version of myself. Now I know that if you're considering Vitrafoxin, you probably have some questions. So let me address a few of the most common ones. Is it safe? Yes, it's made with natural ingredients and produced in FDA-registered facilities, ensuring quality and safety. How long does it take to see results? It varies, but many people, including myself, start noticing improvements within the first few weeks. Is there a guarantee? Yes, they offer a money-back policy in case you're not satisfied with the results. If you're struggling with memory issues, lack of focus, or brain fog, I highly recommend giving Vitrafoxin a try. It worked for me, and I believe it can work for you too. For more details on how Vitrafoxin can benefit you, check out the link in the description. Your mental health is key to living a full and happy life. Don't wait to take control of your cognitive well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with someone who might need it, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your interaction really helps us bring more valuable content to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.